Today, we're going to be going over how to find reports within your growth suite. TechnoMile system comes with a number of out-of-the-box reports that can all be used by any end user and also tailored and saved as a custom report for your users to view at their pleasure. So first, let's log into the system. So we're going to open up growth. And from here, you should see a reports tab. So up here in the top row, we'll click on reports. By default, it's going to take you to any recently viewed reports. If you don't see any, that's okay. Next, we can go down here to folders. We're going to click on all folders. You'll see a number of folders, but the one you're looking for is going to be this growth reports. When we click on growth reports, you'll see additional subfolders. This is where you can go to look up the out-of-the-box reports that we have from the TechnoMile suite.